Hey everyone, thank you so much for having me. I'm really excited to be here today and tell you about everything that we've learned building Video GPT. Video GPT is an application that lives on the GPT store to help people create videos. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sabba. I'm the CEO and co-founder of VEED. And VEED is an AI-powered video editing platform that helps people create videos. And we wake up every day with a mission to try and make it as easy as we can. That's me. You know, I've got a very non-traditional path into learning how to code and kind of entering the world of startups. I went to an art school, and during art school, I got really fascinated with building fun things with technology. This is a pair of glasses that I had that I screwed on a P2P camera. I ran the wire into my backpack, plugged it into an Arduino, and trained it to do things like take photos when I had 3 fingers up in front of me. It only worked sometimes. Through this process, I wanted to document it and tell the world about what I was doing. So naturally, I decided to make videos. And through that process, I learned that video creation was really hard. It was so hard. It was much harder than it should be. And I found video to be this incredible medium to communicate, to tell stories, to connect with people. And more people should be able to create videos, yet video creation was really tough. But it wasn't just the editing process that I personally found really difficult. It was the end-to-end process of creating videos that was so challenging. You have to set up a camera on a tripod that you have, obviously, and then you have to record yourself. And you know, that's easier said than done. Am I looking into the camera? Am I wearing the right clothes? Is the lighting right? So now we've got our recording done. We now need to get our footage. We need to put it onto our laptop. That's actually not too hard. Now we need editing software, but you need the skills to be able to edit it. And then on top of that, we need now stock video and stock audio to be able to bring this thing together and make something that looks incredible. So at the start of this year, we had an idea, a very simple idea. And the idea was, if we can go from an idea to a great quality looking video in under a minute, that would be incredible. And with the launch of the GPT store, we thought to ourselves this is a great opportunity to leverage large language models to help build really cool scripts to make not any video, but a professional looking and great quality video. So I'd love to give you a really quick demo now of V1 of Video GPT that launched in January this year. And I'm going to voice over as it plays. So you arrive at Video GPT and you've got a bunch of different options that you can choose to start making a video. For this example, what we're going to be doing is making an AI presenter video. We're going to ask it to make us a video to teach engineers how they can use ChatGPT to be a better engineer, obviously. We're going to make it informative, educational. We want it to be about 2 minutes long as well. And by giving it this information, we're able to start building up a script. We can then really go into the narrative and start really customizing what this video is going to be like and how it's going to sound, which is really cool. But once we've got a script that we're happy with, we're going to say continue, and we're going to take that script, and it's now going to take us into VEED for the visual customization element of the video. So here I'm going to choose a presenter. I'm going to choose a different background, different subtitle styles as well. Don't worry, we can change all of this later if we want to. It's all good. But when we're happy with what we've got, all we're going to do is click continue, and we're going to go assemble all the parts that we need to create this video. Because everything's been designed within our interface, everything is now completely editable, but for this video, we don't really need to do much editing. Let me show you what the result looks like.
Today, let's explore how ChatGPT can elevate your front-end development skills. This isn't just another chatbot, it's a game changer for your workflow. Picture this. You're stuck on a complex CSS layout or wrestling with a...
We're all stuck on CSS layouts. You know, being able to create a video in just like 1 minute from a simple idea, I think is incredible, right? To go from nothing to something that looks very professional is really empowering. You know, when we built this, we didn't actually know if people wanted to use it. It was a bit of a guess, really. Did people want to use a chat interface to build up a script and generate a video? It was a bit of a leap into the unknown. And to our amazement, people really did, actually. People started creating up to about 500,000 videos every single month. It became the #1 video application on the GPT store. And more importantly, as a founder as well, it's like contributing 10% of our new customers to the platform. So it's actually been really meaningful and impactful for us as a business, and just opened up this whole new opportunity for us. So yeah, no, we're really pleased, and because of that, we've continued to invest in building the platform and making it even better. What people, the kind of videos they want to make is actually quite interesting. My favorite one is an educational video around the benefits of for humans from cats purring. I don't quite know what output this had, but like, there's a lot of diversity. Let's just say that. But we're not going to judge people on that. Something that we're obsessed about at VEED is what we call the video export rate. If someone exports a video and clicks the download button and they take it home, that's the golden moment. That means they've got value and they're going to take it away. And so the first 3 to 6 months, we spent all of our time looking at this export rate and working out how can we make it better? How can we get more value and deliver more value to the users through this experience? And you know what? It was so counterintuitive. We did one thing that I didn't think would actually work. And that one thing that really improved the export rate was not taking users to our website. And that's really counterintuitive. How are we going to download a video? How are you going to get to the aha moment? How are you going to get to the value if you're not going to take the users to their website? Very counterintuitive. What we actually found was keeping people within the ChatGPT interface felt more familiar to them. They didn't want to jump out and go to a completely different platform. Before, the first version, you would write in a prompt, say it was like surfing for beginners, and it would just write a random script, create your video, and you'd be like, cool, it's on the right topic, but it's not the right video. But instead, building up that script and having a dialogue that can really, really engage with the user helps them actually create a video that they want. Should it be informative? Should it be educational? How long should it be? What point should we really highlight and touch on? That's where the magic really happens, and that's what really improved our export rate. So because of that, we decided to invest more, and we've recently just built version 2, which is completely multimodal. We've talked about going from an idea to a video, and that's great. That's like the, hey, I've got this foggy idea, let's go from that all the way to something polished that looks incredible. But actually, there's different starting points for creating videos for people that are not familiar with creating videos. You might have a slide deck, for example. You might have a document, or there's FAQs on your website that you want to turn into a video documentation that's more accessible. You could have blog posts or even traverse a large podcast and find some of the best bits in it. Maybe these could be great starting points to videos. So I want to show you the newest thing that we've launched very soon, actually, called Slides to Video, and I'll talk you through the process again here. So as you can see, this is still on dev, but what we're going to do is we're going to ask it to create a presentation video. And ironically, we're going to use this presentation that I'm using now to base the video off. So we're uploading the document, and then from this, it's going to be looking at all the images, all the text, all the videos that we have in it, and actually trying to develop a script. You can see there's also a clone of myself here in it, and what we've got is, fortunately, all our slides and the narrative put together. Once we're happy with that, we can just click generate, and our video will be created. So here's the magic moment. What's it going to look like? But before I show you that, we need to talk about how it works. Starting with a PDF is, I don't know if anyone here has worked with PDFs before. They're kind of like black holes. Like, you don't quite know what's in it. Is it a video? Is it an image? Is it text? So you have to extract the text and the visual information from it. Once you have that, then you can work with the large language model and actually start building up a really nice script. Once you're at the point where you have that script, that's kind of where we can stop, and you can pass all the information to VEED, and we can actually generate something interesting. We can use a text-to-speech, we can use lip sync, we can use images to put that video together. Anyway, let's get to that video.
Welcome to our presentation on scaling a custom text-to-video GPT. Today, we'll explore the innovative solutions offered by VEED. Hello, I'm Sabba, CEO and co-founder of VEED. I'm excited to share our journey and insights into developing cutting-edge video technology. Here, we see the complex timeline of video.
Okay, so working. But, as you can see, it's not quite live yet, and it wouldn't be DevDay without a tiny bit of drama. Fortunately, the 2 engineers that worked on that project are in this room and are going to push it live for us right now. Thank you to all the hard work these guys have put into it. It's been incredible. And it is now live, and it is now launched, so you can try it out now. There's nothing like a deadline to get some real innovation going and some last-minute bug squashing as well. So honestly, thank you so much, guys. I really, really appreciate it. And also, thank you for having me. I've really enjoyed this, and I'm going to be in the apparently Sugar Room later if you want to meet me there. Happy to answer any questions, and Jesse and JV will be there too, so we can talk about it. But thank you so much. Have a great day.